Get ready, America. A manufacturing revolution is just days away. With Tuesday's election, we stand at the threshold of a new era where American factories will roar back to life, jobs will flow into our communities, and our workforce will once again lead the world. This is a defining moment to reclaim our place as a manufacturing powerhouse, grounded in ethics, efficiency, and skilled professionals who set the standard. For too long, corporations have offshored to nations where labor isn't just cheap, it's exploitative, it's slavery. Let's be clear, they've abandoned American soil, prioritizing cost over humanity, and benefiting from forced labor under the guise of business. This has hollowed out our communities and weakened our economy, all while exploiting workers in other nations. Now, we're turning the tide. As we rebuild, we need strong protections to keep the field level. Goods produced with unfair labor practices must face the highest tariffs. Let's protect American jobs by rewarding goods produced by fairly paid workers. And as we grow, we welcome hardworking foreign professionals to join us here legally on work visas with a clear path to citizenship for those who wish to contribute to this country's greatness. Talent knows no borders, and we will build this new era together. While we're paving the way for professionals to take control of their careers, we know that independence and working for yourself isn't for everyone. Our success also depends on strong service companies, those that hire, train, and care for talented professionals, ready to deploy them for projects. When service companies have employees available, they can bring them to the marketplace to meet demand. When they face opportunities beyond their in-house capabilities, they'll contract skilled professionals directly from our marketplace to get the job done right. Picture one seamless platform with every opportunity, contracts, jobs, and new projects based on your specific skills and occupation. Companies will access the best professionals on demand, whether for a single project or as part of a longer-term commitment, and workers will choose where and when they contribute. Automate America is the future of American manufacturing, bringing efficiency, respect, and freedom to the workforce. We're building a world where every professional, every service company, and every manufacturer finds exactly what they need, when they need it, in one unified marketplace. Together, let's make Made in America mean something powerful once again, with products built by free, valued professionals, right here at home. Vote by November 5th. Our industry, our future, and the American dream are on the line.